In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a heart icon in Figma step by step. Whether you're a seasoned designer or new to Figma, this process will be straightforward and easy to follow. So let's jump right into it. First, open up your web browser and navigate to Figma's website. Figma is a collaborative interface design tool that helps you and your team create amazing designs effortlessly. Once you're there, locate and click on the login button, which is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials if prompted and log into your Figma account. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is quick and easy. Just follow the prompts on the screen. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Figma homepage. From here, go ahead and click on Design. This section is where the magic happens. It's the workspace specifically dedicated to crafting and modifying designs, making it the perfect environment for creating our heart icon. Next, you'll want to click on the Action button. In this context, Action refers to various tools and features available in Figma, enabling you to execute specific design tasks. It's like your tool belt in Figma, filled with functionalities you might need. Once the Action menu is open, proceed by typing Heart in the search bar. Searching for specific objects is a very handy feature Figma offers. It accelerates your workflow by allowing quick access to standard shapes and icons. This search should yield a heart that you can use as your base. Go ahead and click on the heart that appears. This icon will likely be a basic outline that we will enhance later. With the heart selected, the next step is to look for the Run option. This action essentially integrates the heart icon into your active design project. It's a simple but crucial step, ensuring the icon is part of your design canvas, allowing you to resize, color, or modify it as needed. And that's it! In just a few easy steps, you've added a heart icon to your Figma design project. From here, feel free to experiment with colors, shadows, or even combining it with other elements to fit your overall design theme better. As you play around with it, you'll notice how versatile and user-friendly Figma truly is. Keep exploring, and who knows, you might find new ways to enhance and expand your design skills. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!